In this video, I want to talk about how I used Notion to host my own portfolio website or a blogging website without spending any money. So I'll give you a little bit of a backstory. A few years ago, I decided, okay, I need to have my own domain, srinidhisrisha.com, where I would post contents on whatever I'm interested in, be it blogging, be it software engineering or finance, anything. I didn't want a solution which was overly limiting, and I also didn't want a solution which let me do everything. So I wanted a sweet spot between these two things. For example, I didn't want to do Squarespace, I didn't want to do WordPress, I didn't want to deal with all the plugin updates and so on. And these were my requirements: a low friction way where I could write content and immediately make it available on my domain. At this point, I was using Notion, and I learned that with Notion, I can write content and make it available on web. But Notion did not provide any custom domain option. So then I heard about this website called Super.so, and I started using. It was like $10 a month. I was like, okay, $10. I was like, two lattes. It's fine. I'll use them. What I expected was, if I'm paying $10 per month, as soon as I hit save, I expect that content to be available on the web. But that was not the case, and it's not like I'm publishing content every day. But whenever I do, I expect it to work and be immediately available. But Super.so was not the solution for me. Every time I had some login issues, they couldn't figure out Google Auth or email Auth, and I was basically paying them $10 per month for 2 years until I found this solution. So recently, Notion announced the support for custom domains, and I was pretty excited to hear that. And when I looked into the details, to take benefit of custom domains, you need to have a pro account, which is $10 per month. And to support one custom domain, it is $10 per month per domain. So basically, you're paying around $22 to have your own website with your own custom domain, which I think is pretty expensive to just have your own custom domain and a blog or whatever. So when Notion made an announcement, I actually commented below their post, how Notion makes it super hard to find out how much it costs to actually support a custom domain, and that post got quite a bit of attention. And Ivan Zhao, he said, he would, this is good feedback, and let me check with the team. So maybe Notion will come up with a solution that is cost effective later. I am happy to provide $10 every month to Notion because I really like the product, and I just think $10 per month for custom domain is not cost effective. I think if somebody signs up for a pro membership, they should get one custom domain for free. That would be reasonable. Let me show you how the approach I adopted is working for me, and it is not costing me anything. It's practically free. And if you are a software engineer, you can definitely take this route. Before that, let me go into Super.so and show you how much I paid them before I found this solution. I think I paid about $200 so far, which could have been avoided had I come across this solution first. So here, you can see my first payment was in October 2022, and now it is almost September 2024. I've been paying them. I've been their customer for almost 2 years. This was not necessary at all. I could have done this, without paying anything. So here's how I solved it. I came across this article from Stephen O. Stephen O. Huge thanks to this guy for putting this article together. So if you're a software engineer, you can definitely take this route. So he provides a way of using Cloudflare workers and making it available on your custom domain. So you can see I can go to my domain and it will load my Notion articles. And here I can go and read my latest articles. Others can go and read my latest articles, and this meets all my requirements. So this is all I wanted. This is the approach. So what it requires is it requires you to create a worker on Cloudflare. So this is my worker. This is how there is Steph now also provides the code for this, and he highlights step-by-step directions on how to get this working. And this is what I have been using, and this meets my needs. And I hope you can get your portfolio up with the help of this article, and I hope you save a bunch of money. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you in my next video.